How to access your PNC tax document online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need your tax document from PNC, well, here is how to access them quickly. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for PNC Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the PNC Bank. Now here you need to log in with your credential and once logged in you simply have to navigate to statements or document center. And there you just have to look for your tax forms like 1099 or 1098 from the relevant tax year and then click on download or view to save or print your tax document. And that's it. That's how you can access your PNC tax documents online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.